Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have 8 of stars, 4 of spheres, and postulant of stars in reverse. So it may be in your career situation or personal life situation, guys. You feel that in your work situation you are seeing a lot of criticism. People are not, you are working hard, putting in a lot of efforts, guys, but they do not see that. They are simply criticizing you and your tasks or projects or whatever your work related things. You may see some delays or suspensions, and it is the way the people treating you in your work situation, their criticism or their negative comments, it is pulling you down and holding you back from what to say, of progress, positive progress in your life, guys. And if you are able to weather these stormy times, maybe the criticisms whatever they speak, if you are just deaf to all those negative things and just focus on your work and move on in your life, if you are able to do that, you are going to taste real success in your life, guys, Sagittarius. But you need to be really strong and you need to be really prepared for that, prepared with that mindset, because you are going to face a lot of criticism, condemnation from people around you. But still, if you have the way to move forward, you are going to see success in your life today, guys. And maybe there is someone exaggerating the situation for you. Maybe they are exaggerating whatever, it may be small flaws on your part, but this person is making it out of proportion, and that is what is creating a lot of problems for you. So, this situation may be something in your personal life or something in your work situation, guys. So, the way they are simply here to create problems for your love or for your career situation. So, if you have a vague idea who it is in your life today, guys, if there is someone like that in your work or in your relationship, you have to try and avoid this person, because they are here only to create problems for you and for nothing else, and you need to avoid this person. But I also see that there is someone who is kind, compassionate, and who is coming towards you to gift you, guys, or they are giving you some rare offers or opportunities in your work, or they are here to console you, gift you. It may be someone truly in love with you. So this person is coming to gift you, guys. Maybe if you are in separation or if you are single, open to a new relationship, this person is truly concerned about you. They love you a lot and they are coming towards you with gifts, and they are here to console you and heal your wounded heart, guys, Sagittarius. That is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. We have 2 cards here, so you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys, and I will start with the first card. So let's close our eyes for a few seconds, meditate, and I will start the reading with the first card, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with this card. Let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So, for those who chose this card, what is the card? It is Gretel. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that in your life, in your past, maybe for some of you, you have gone through a lot of traumatic situations. Maybe the elders in your family, they have let you down, they were not quite responsible, and their attitude has affected your life. And whatever you have faced, your challenges, or whatever the traumatic situations you have faced in your life in your childhood years, it has simply made you much more stronger and courageous. And your story is an inspiration. You need not feel shy or you need not fear. You are someone who's very courageous and strong under difficult circumstances, and you are someone who helps others, who help people, and you are a true defender of friends and family. So it is time you inspire the younger generation with your stories, with your ideas, or how to deal with the problems they are facing right now in their life. And you need to you work well as a team, guys, maybe in your work or in your life, in your family. You are a great person to be with. You have beautiful communication skills. You are quick thinking, protective, and you are someone who is supportive and very resourceful. So the people around you, they find you a very good person to be with, and your abilities and strategies, you can talk about it to the younger generation, whomever you are in contact with today, guys, because your stories are simply going to inspire them today in their life, and your strength and courage. So you are moving on, you have moved on from your past. Maybe something happened, maybe if it is something to do with your relationship, you have moved on from a traumatic relationship and you have come out as a strong person. And this courage is going to inspire the person you meet now, and they will feel, maybe you will feel that true connection and communication with this person, guys. You need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have round and round. So again, a beautiful card here. So this just means that in your situation today, guys, you just feel that you have come back to that same spot again. And how did you get here? You are simply wondering how things are going in the same way again now, and how to deal with this present situation. So you need to understand that you are here in this particular situation with a particular type of a person, because it is the spirit's plan for your evolution, guys. That is the reason you have circled back to this accustomed spot in your life today. So this time around, you will know what you need to do differently, maybe respond differently now or behave differently, because you know from your past experience what was your response and what was that experience and what you have learned from it. So you need to let go of that blame game, remain curious now to learn any new changes or any new experiences that are coming today, and you need to respond differently, so that way you will not come back to the same spot again in your life, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your relationship you are having similar problems like the past, maybe like the past experiences. So if you respond differently, you are going to break this cycle today, guys. So that is the energy. So you will be able to find a better person who will be with whom you will be able to connect better and have a beautiful relationship. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. With the two cards, we saw such a beautiful reading. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like the reading. If you like, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.